Well, my people, welcome back to the channel. Right here is a 2014 Nisan Altima, 2014. So you guys how to take off this trim panel, how to take out this glass, and also how to take out this handle. But first, we're gonna start with the trim panel, guys. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver or a pick. It's up to you, all right? On this one, I'm gonna use the pick. There's a piece down here, we're gonna take that piece out of it. That's what it looks like, guys. Take that piece out of it, all right? We get the next one that's here. Go ahead and take that one out too. That's it, that's what it looks like. Go ahead and take that piece out. Now, the reason why we take those pieces out, guys, right there, there's a 10 millimeter screw or a Phillips. You had the choice to use a Phillips or a 10 millimeter. And the same goes for down there. I'm going to use my 10 millimeter. See, that's what the screws look like, guys. A Phillips or a 10 millimeter. That's another one. Now, guys, once you guys take those screws out, use your flathead. You're going to take this piece out. Just put it right between the groove, just like that, and pry it up. See, it comes out. I want to take that piece out because once we get the trim panel off, we're going to plug this piece back in to drop the glass. Go ahead and take that piece off. I believe that I did have a screw in it. Use your flathead, guys. You're going to stuck it right in the groove just like that, and you're going to pry it out. Just like that. Then you're going to go up with it. Just like that. See, it comes right off. Now, go ahead and take out the wires, guys. See that? It's two of them. Okay? Alright, guys. Now that we take off the trim panel, go ahead and take off this plastic right here. Take those two bolts loose from out of there. Take that piece off. Take that out. Alright, now guys, go ahead and take this piece off. Just grab it and lift it up. Comes right up. Now we're going to go in and drop the glass down. That's when we plug this piece back in. Plug it back in, drop it down. Right there. I'm going to show you guys how far to drop this down. This is what I want to show you guys. You guys see that screw right there? There's the next one on the far end of the this rod. We're gonna drop this rod to this hole right here. So you guys can see the screw. It'll take the screw out of there. So watch it. Watch it. You see it move, right? It's going down. I want you guys to drop it right there. Now you got access to take that screw out. So if you're gonna go ahead and take that screw out, you're gonna take that screw out. Then you're gonna take out this screw right here. The screw right here goes to the rod that the window runs up and down on. So you're gonna take that screw out along with this piece. Then we're gonna take out this piece first. This piece is along with this screw. We're gonna take that piece out, and then we're gonna pull the glass out of there. Well, when you guys go to put this glass back, put this in first before you put this piece in. So go ahead and put the glass in first, then you're gonna fish this down there. All right. With that said, stay tuned. All right, guys. Now that we got the window positioned to where we want it, we gotta take this piece out. Go ahead and take that screw from there. That is a 10 millimeter. Guys, get yourself a started T20. Started T20. This piece right here, the rubber, pull that piece back. There's 2 screws back there. Go and take them 2 screws from there, take that piece from there. All right, now we got them 2 screws out of there, guys. Get your flathead screwdriver. This rubber that's run down inside there, you're gonna get that rubber behind it. This rubber right here, just move it out of the way. The reason why we did that, guys, it's 2 screws inside here. Inside of here is the 2 fillets. Once you take this piece out of the way, there's 2 fillets inside there. Fillet. That's what they look like, guys. It's 2 of them. Now go ahead and take those 2 screws out of there. There's 2 of them. All right. Now you're going to grab this, pick it up and tilt it. Just like that. Drop it down here and hold this piece and take it out. See, it comes right out. It goes like this. Take those 2 pieces out. Now you can grab the glass and pull the glass out of it. Tilt it first. Tilt it, pull it out. That's it, take that glass out, guys. In order to get the glass out, you gotta take the piece off first, all right? That's how you take the glass out. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to take out this handle, but you do not have to take out the glass in order to get the handle out. I'll just show you guys that process first, all right? Come. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Hey, Chico, do it again. Yeah. All right, guys, it's now for time to take out the handle. There's a flathead screwdriver. You guys see that piece right there, the plug? Take that plug from there. Take it out. This time, guys, get yourself a star tip, T30. There's a shiny screw that is right inside there. We're going to turn that shiny screw to the left. This piece right here, the cap piece, we're gonna take off the cap piece first, and then we're gonna pull the handle off. All right? We're gonna turn the shiny screw to the left. All the way. You see that nut that was loose? Go ahead and stuck your flathead right there and turn it some more. Comes right out. See that? Comes out. Then you're gonna grab this and pull it backwards towards you. Just like that. That comes out, guys. That's how you do that. Go ahead and take this piece out, guys. Do not lose this piece, okay? Because what this does, it stops the dust, the wind and the water from going right inside the hole right there, all right? So, that's how you do that. Now, I'm gonna show you guys now how to take the front door apart, all right? With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video, all right? By the way, thanks for the support, appreciate it. But let's go to the front door.